Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Donnie with Designs by Donnie, and today is an exciting moment. The big build-off edition begins now. I am going to be milling up lumber today for the table legs for this build, and this is the first video in a series of several videos for the next 6 weeks. I hope you guys are excited. Let's go grab a template and get going. Come on, let's do this. I got the templates off the wall, so let me show you what I'm doing. This is the first template in the sweeping beam, and we have the other part to it. I wrote on it backwards, but it's gonna go just like this and connect. We're gonna have 4 sets of these on either end of the table, or 2 sets of these on either end of the table. I hope this makes sense. But if it doesn't, you know what? Let me toss this out. Let me show you on SketchUp. Let's go.
Now it makes sense, right? I'm a visual person too. Sometimes you just gotta take a look at what you're doing instead of explaining it. There you go, the sweeping beam table. This video is made possible by my sponsor, Firm Grip Gloves. When sourcing any lumber for a project, you want to make sure you go through it carefully. You don't want any stacks that are warped, twisted, or cupped. So take your time, handpick the pieces you're going to use, and get started. Okay, that was tough. That was 18 cuts. Now we're about to stack them up, take a look at them, and repeat the process all over again for the smaller leg. I'm looking at this little piece and I'm like, what can I do with it? Making it into a catch-all tray? A bowl? And then I think, who cares? It's a cutoff. Get rid of it. Using a carpenter's crayon, I'm going to carefully mark the spots on the board that are twisted or cupped so I know where to apply hand pressure on the joiner. This is key to squaring your lumber up. Now you can see why I made those marks. I'm going to apply pressure right where I scribbled those lines, and this will ensure I get a nice flat surface. And just like that, we go from one machine to the next. Let's go on over to the planer and let's get planing. After a few hours of planing, now let's take a look at the before and after. Turned out nice.
Okay, that was a ton of work, just milling up this stack. I still have one more stack to go, but like I said, today was all about milling up the lumber for the legs that I showed you with the templates. And we got that covered. So stay tuned for the next video and we'll get going on this process. This is super exciting, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn notifications on so you know every time a new video drops. I don't know what else you're waiting on. That's all I got for you today. Get on out. Go. Go, go. See you next time.